Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your computer class. I, Achal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your computer class. So students, in the previous session, as you all know, that we were on chapter number 6, that was features in MS Word. Okay, so we have already completed the topic, that is features in MS Word. So today I'm going to start with the back exercise, okay, of chapter number 6. So let's begin with the back exercise. Okay, so this is chapter 6, features in MS Word. This is features in MS Word. So the question number one, the first one is tick the correct answers, that is MCQ. So the first one is, okay, so that is first of all we are going to begin with tick the correct answer. Okay, so the question number one is, okay, a software used for writing text is called presentation, word processor or spreadsheet. So the a software that is used for writing text is known as word processor. That is option number 2. The answer for the A1 is option number 2, that is word processor. Moving next to the B1. The colored wavy lines which shows the spelling mistakes. So the colored wavy lines that shows our spelling mistakes in the MS Word, that is what is the color of that wavy line? Green, yellow or red? So that is spelling mistakes are shown by the red wavy lines. So the answer for the B1 is option number 3, that is red. Moving next to the C1. A list of words grouped together containing synonyms and antonyms is known as thesaurus. That is option number 1. So the thesaurus option in the MS Word, it contains the antonyms and synonyms. So you can replace it with any word that suits your sentence. Okay, so that is thesaurus. Moving next to the D1. The D1 is the command which is used to search for a particular word or text is called find. So we use find command to search for a particular word or text. So that is option number 2. That is find. F-I-N-D. Find. Moving next to the E1. It consists of a grid of boxes arranged in rows and columns. So what is it? It is, it consists of a grid of boxes arranged in row and column. So that is table. Okay, so it's a table. Okay, so grid of boxes arranged in the rows and column, that is in the spell check, tab or table. Okay, so option number 2, that is table. T-A-B-L-E. That is table. So these are the answers from the MCQs. Moving next to the fill-ups, that is fill in the blanks. Moving next to the second one, the B1, that is fill in the blanks. Okay, so the A1 is the dash wavy line shows the grammatical mistakes. So that is green. So green wavy lines shows the grammatical mistakes in the word document. So the answer is green. GREEN. So if you are having any grammatical mistake while typing in the MS Word, it will be shown by the green wavy lines. Moving next to the B1. The B is the colored wavy lines which shows the spelling the B1 is the thesaurus is a list of words grouped together containing. Okay, so the thesaurus kya hai? It contains the antonyms and synonyms. Okay, it's a group of words. Okay, that contains the antonyms and the synonyms. So the answer for this one is antonyms and synonyms, or synonyms or antonyms. So that is the thesaurus. So write down the answer. Okay, that is synonyms. SYNONYMS. That is synonyms. And antonyms. ANTONYMS. That is antonyms. Moving next to the C1. The C is a list of words. Sorry, I am reading this. The C1 is the dash command is used to search for a particular text. So the command that is used for use for searching a particular text is find. So that command is find. So find command is used for searching the particular text, that is find. D1. By default, the bullet is marked in the form of dash in word. Okay, so by default जो bullets हैं बेटा वो किस form में है? That is in the form of black dot. That is in the form of a dot, you can say. In the word black dot or dot, you can write both. Okay, write down black dot. Okay, so you can mention it in the bracket like this. Moving next to the E1. The dash feature is used to display the text in the newspaper. Okay, so newspaper में कौन सा feature जो भी whatever you are typing, if you want to display it in the newspaper, so which feature you are going to use? So we are going to use the newspaper column feature. Okay, the feature name is newspaper column. That is newspaper column. Moving next to the F1. The F is dash feature increases the size of the first letter of the paragraph. So that is drop cap. So drop cap feature in the MS Word increases the size of the first letter of a paragraph. So the answer is drop cap. D-R-O-P, drop, C-A-P, cap. That is drop cap. Moving next to the G1. A table is made up of dash and dash. A table is made up of rows and columns. A table is made up of rows and columns. So this is the answer for A to G. Okay, so you can pause it here and note it down in your notebooks. Moving next to the C1, that is true false. Moving next to the C1, that is true false. This is true false. Okay. The true false first one is undo option is used to cancel the previous action. Is it true? Yes. So we press undo, that is Control plus Z, or you can use the undo. You can use the undo row in the MS Word to cancel the previous action that you have done. So that is true. So the first statement is, that is A. Yes, this is A and this is true. B1. There are 4 case options offered by Word. So the Word offers the 4 case options. So this is true? No. So it offers 3 case. Okay. So that is false. Moving next to the C1. You can see line numbers on the screen only in the print layout view. That is true. We can see the line numbers in the print layout view only. That is true. D1. Indents are used to set the paragraph's margin. So our indents are used to set the paragraph margins. Is it true? Yes, this is true. Okay, this is true. Next, a grid of cells arranged in rows and columns is called table. So when the grid is arranged in the form of row and column, it is called table. This is true. So this is true. TRUE, true. So this is the answer for the true false of the chapter number 6. Now after true false, we are having question answers. So let's begin with the question answers without wasting any more time. Okay, so let's begin with the question answer. So the first one is, what is the use of find and replace option? Okay, so what is the use of find and replace option? So the find and replace command is used to search and replace a text or a word with new one. Okay, so if you want to search any text, you can use find command. And if you want to replace any command, you can, sorry, if you want to change the word, okay, you can use the replace command. Write down find and replace command. Answer for the question number 1. Find and replace command. Find and replace command is used to find and replace command is used to search and replace a text, is used to search and replace a text, is used to search and replace a text or word with the new one, or word with with the new one, with the new one. Okay, so this is the answer for the question number 1. So find and replace command in the MS Word is used to search and replace a text or a word with the new one. Okay, moving next to the answer, question number 2. So the question number 2 is, what is thesaurus? So thesaurus is the list of words grouped together, okay, containing synonyms and antonyms. So when the different words, okay, they are grouped together, that are synonyms and antonyms of the word, that is known as thesaurus. So write down, thesaurus is a thesaurus, thesaurus is thesaurus is a list of words, is a list of words grouped together, grouped together, group of words grouped together. I will just write that a little bit clear. Grouped together, grouped together, containing synonyms, containing synonyms, synonyms, synonyms and antonyms, and antonyms. Okay, so this is the answer for the question number 2. So what is thesaurus? So it's a list of words grouped together containing synonyms and antonyms. So this is the answer for the question number 1 and 2. You can pause it here and note it down in your notebooks. Moving next to the question number 3. The question number 3 is, name and write the use of various change case options. So what is the use of the various case change options? Okay, so there are 5 change case options. So we have to name and write the use of each and every case change option here. Okay, so it's a little bit lengthy question. Okay, so let's write down the answer for the question number 3. Name and write the use of various case change case options. So there are 5 case change option. Answer number 3. There are 5 case change options. Number 1. The number 1 is sentence case. The first one is sentence case. So what is the use of sentence case? Okay, in this the first letter of the sentence will be in uppercase and rest will be in the lowercase. In this, the first letter of the sentence will be in upper case and rest will be in lower case. Okay, so this is the first one, sentence case. Okay, so normal sentence first word capital होता है, बाकी सारे small होते हैं, so this is the sentence case. The second one, that is lowercase. So lowercase and uppercase means or capital letter and lowercase means small letters. So let's write the second one, that is lowercase. That is lowercase. In this, all the letters or all the characters will be in small letters. In this, all the characters will be in small letters. Will be in small letters. Okay, so this is the answer for the, okay, this is not the complete answer, this is only first and second, 3, 4, third, fourth, fifth option. So third, fourth and fifth case that we will write down in the next session. So for today, I'm just ending the session here only. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then everybody, have a great day.